Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to record your screen on your iPhone. I will be dividing this video into two parts. First, we will learn how to record your screen without recording an audio. And then second part, we will record the screen with using even recording the audio. For example, if I'm talking, that's also being recorded and my screen is also being recorded. I'll tell you the both way. First of all, what you have to do, pull the screen up like this one, and in here you can see an option called recording screen, and my screen is already being recorded. So click on it, hold it, and when you hold it, you can see an option like this. At the option of stop recording, you will be seeing an option called start recording. So when you click that, there will be 3-second gap, and after that the video will start running. And in the option of microphone, now the microphone is on. I can even click it and make the microphone off and start recording again. So in both cases, it's in my hand if I want to record a screen with microphone on or microphone off. It depends on you, whichever you want. So this I make these tutorials or the iPhone tutorials through this screen recorder that is custom based, that is built-in microphone and built-in screen recorder. In similar fashion, in MacBook Pro we have quick time player, that is a built-in screen recorder, and that's the best way to record a screen on MacBook. I think this video helped you on understanding how to record your screen and with your voice on your iPhone. If you think this video helped you, please make sure to leave us a comment and subscribe to this channel, because this way we get more subscriber, we get more views, and we get motivated to create more. And in the future we are going to create a lot of amazing videos, like our last video that was regarding how to access dark web. We have wonderful ideas, but we are trying to grow our subscription base. So when we upload those wonderful videos, there should be a lot of people watching our videos. When we put a lot of hard work, we want that to be heard of. So that's it for today's video. Please make sure to leave us a comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.